So this is one kind of website. My question is called, if anyone is searching my website, we can't crawl my web page URLs on search engine. How to stop the total website does not crawl by the search engine? This is my question. So that is called, we can use option call is robo.txt. In interviews, ask one question. How to stop your search engine index your website? So we design one website, but it not indexing for search engine. This is only for your private purpose. So how to stop search engine on your website? So that is called, we can use option call is robo.txt. Simple term, that is called first design your coding. In this code, this is totally designed by along with your sitemap. In this sitemap, so this total dependent by your sitemap. So we can start by searching a purpose. Here what is showing for here? Allow is the my option. I can simple asking adding for this allow. Don't writing for any spelling mistakes. This allow for your option. So in this adding your file, click for save. In this file we adding for using cpanel. Click for file manager. In this file manager, the option call is public underscore HTML. Just upload your file. They're using for robo.txt. So already file will be there. Is asking for replace. So copy this URL. Copy. Paste. We can check robots.txt. Total my web page will be stopped by the search engine. If you allow purpose, simple. So what are the code I'm updating for in this option? Reload. Just go to the page, edit, click for edit. Here, diesel option we can click for allow. So when allow time, A is a capital. Allow, save changes. After that, check by here. Now replace. So one is called allow. Second will be disallow your total website pages. Individual page we can disallow, or particular page also will be disallow. Suppose we can start by particular only one page. Just select your extension, copy, paste, save change. After that, replace. See this one. It will check will be like this. So that is called, it will be acceptance or does not acceptance. Everything will check by here. Disallow or allow your website. So this is called, you can stop your total website or particular web pages and stop on the search engine. Does not crawl purpose. The use option call is robo.txt. Please note on the syntax.